guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing a voiceover for this Plan With Me. I filmed about half of it, and then I realized that I was getting in a confusing spot because I had literally paused the video and I couldn't remember what I was talking about. Yeah, I probably could have stopped and re-watched it, but I think I did this, not my last Plan With Me, the Plan With Me before that one, and it was a mess. So I decided to just go ahead and scrap my essentially conversation and just do a fast forward. So I edited this in iMovie, not iMovie, what is it called? Final Cut Pro, which is essentially a glorified iMovie. That's $300. So I'm doing this at 400 speed. So originally I was, taking my time, making sure it's right, getting my stuff down, but completely got sidetracked with my conversation. So we're here now. But this is Thanksgiving week, and I am using my Whoville kit because I'm back planning because your girl forgot to do this week. It's fine. It's next week, but next week as in this week, it is the week after Thanksgiving, and this is Thanksgiving week, so I'm back planning. It's okay. I got a plan because otherwise people will look at me like I have 10 heads at Winter Plannerland when I don't have anything filled out. And I already feel bad because I'm going to be missing like half my spreads through majority of the, July on. Maybe not July, maybe September and October were a little rough, okay? But we're here. I used my date dots or my date squares. They're clear, so it doesn't really matter. The work from home is from Chic Street Sticker Boutique, along with these guys. It's my Grinch kit. I don't remember if I mentioned that, but I don't know if you like my nails or not. I feel like that's kind of what I'm known for, are like my pretty nails. Again, I have no shame in saying that I have really good looking nails because I work really hard on them. I have that all on my second channel, and these are nails that I did specifically for Winter Plannerland, which this tutorial will be up on Monday. I think you guys are watching this, I want to say Saturday, but I feel like I'm going to put this up Sunday. I'm just going to say it. I think it's going up Sunday, even though I filmed this Saturday and edited it Saturday, but I think you're going to watch it Sunday. So these nails will be up tomorrow when you guys see this on my other channel, which is linked in the side on my homepage or linked below in the description, whichever is easier for you guys to get. But I thought it'd be kind of fun since this is kind of planner related for Winter Plannerland, totally feeling it. But yeah, I decided to keep the double box together instead of splitting it up, but I did design the kit so you can split it up and not feel so forced to do the kits, the full boxes together. So I am doing Vlogmas. I don't know if I had mentioned that already. I feel like I did it in the Plan With Me, and since I just filmed it, I feel like I already talked about it, but I don't think I did. So I am doing Vlogmas, and I put on Instagram if you guys wanted me to film the day and then upload it, or do you guys want me to upload it the following day? And people chose the same day. And I think people who chose the next day knowing that I have to edit all these. So again, I've been saying I'm doing them more curated and to the point. Well, they will really be to the point and the editing won't be that much. So I hope that's okay. I mean, I'll still fast forward and do stuff like that, but I'm saying as far as doing something really awesome and editing really well, yeah, that's probably not gonna happen in Vlogmas, especially if I'm uploading it the same day, which is totally fine. But again, I wanted to thank you guys for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I did really well release week, and then Black Friday and Cyber Monday were completely dead. I think I got 4 orders total, but that's beside the point because I literally released everything I think that weekend before because I had off. So I was able to get those orders out wicked fast. I'm so happy that I was able to do that, and the relief I felt that I got majority of all the orders out was so great because coming back from being so far gone is so far gone, that doesn't make sense, but being gone for so long, it was definitely stressful. So we're winding down here, so I'm just going to let you guys finish watching this, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.